Welcome back to Technology in the Future, your ultimate destination for the latest insights in photography gear, camera rumors, and digital innovation. Today's spotlight shines onto exciting mirrorless cameras in the works from Nikon. The rumored Nikon Z90 and the Nikon Z7 III, these two models, expected to launch in 2025, represent significant steps forward for Nikon's mirrorless strategy in both the APS-C and full-frame categories. Whether you're a professional photographer, hybrid content creator, or videographer looking for your next upgrade, there's a lot to unpack. Nikon Z90, a true APS-C flagship content. Let's start with the Nikon Z90, a camera that's generating serious buzz among APS-C enthusiasts. Positioned as a potential successor to the highly respected Nikon D500, this camera is expected to elevate Nikon's DX format game to a whole new level. Expected features and sensor upgrades. Rumors suggest the Z90 will come equipped with a 33-megapixel APS-C sensor, significantly higher resolution than Nikon's current Z50 or ZFC models. This positions it directly against rivals like the Canon EOS R7 for wildlife, sports, and action shooters. This resolution paired with the crop sensor means excellent reach and stunning detail. Video features for creators. This isn't just a stills camera. The Z90 is shaping up to be a hybrid powerhouse. Expect 4K at 60 FPS, likely oversampled from 6K for superior sharpness. There are also whispers of full HD up to 180 FPS, catering to those who love cinematic slow-motion footage. If Nikon delivers 10-bit internal video recording with flat color profiles like N-Log or HLG, it could become a strong alternative to full-frame hybrid shooters. Stabilization and autofocus. A built-in 5 to 6 stop image stabilization system could ensure smooth handheld shooting, and with autofocus tech potentially borrowed from the Z8 and Z9 enhanced with AI-powered tracking for faces, eyes, and animals, the Z90 could rival top-tier autofocus systems. Build and usability. We're hearing about a rugged, weather-resistant body, a tilting or vari-angle 3.2-inch screen, and dual card slots, one CFexpress Type B and one UHS to SD. This blend of high-speed and affordable media options gives creators flexibility. The design choices may hint at whether Nikon is targeting photographers or vloggers more directly. Will it have a stack sensor? While not confirmed, a stack CMOS sensor is possible. If true, this would dramatically increase readout speeds, reduce rolling shutter, and boost burst performance. However, to stay competitive with pricing, especially against Canon's R7, Nikon might opt for a more traditional sensor. Nikon Z7 III, a full-frame giant evolving. Now let's talk about the Nikon Z7 III, a camera that could be Nikon's answer to Sony's A7RV and Canon's EOS R5, aimed at high-resolution photography with hybrid shooting appeal. The Z7i is expected to drop between August and November 2025. Massive resolution. The most prominent rumor centers around a 6.1 MP full-frame sensor, possibly sourced from Sony. This makes it ideal for studio work, landscape photography, and commercial shooting areas where image quality and detail are everything. Dual processors and color fidelity. Armed with Nikon's Speed 7 dual processor, the Z7 III should offer lightning-fast performance, smooth file handling, and superior noise reduction. Combined with Nikon's signature color science, we're expecting true-to-life tones and dynamic range. Next-gen autofocus. With I expect a revamped 493-point phase detection autofocus system. More impressively, AI-powered subject recognition is likely to help lock onto humans, animals, vehicles, and more with incredible accuracy. The Z7i may become Nikon's most intelligent full-frame system yet. IBIS upgrades and focus point. For current rumors also point to 8-stop and body stabilization perfect for handheld long exposures or shooting with telephoto lenses. If focus point based stabilization is implemented, it would mark a significant advancement for Nikon, especially for precision shooters. Professional level video feature. Z7i is being designed for hybrid shooters as much as it is for stills professionals. These are the expected video specs: 8K at 30 FPS, 6K full sensor readout, 4K up to 1:0 FPS, 12-bit internal RAW video combined with thermal management tech inspired by the Z8 and Z9. It may avoid the overheating issues seen in some competitors like the R5, even during extended 8K shoots. Build quality, screen, and viewfinder. Z7 III will likely retain Nikon's professional-grade magnesium alloy chassis with deep weather sealing. Expect a 4-axis tilting LCD, more versatile than a simple flip screen, in a 5.76 m. Old viewfinder. The expected 4000 nit brightness will help ensure visibility, even in harsh outdoor lighting conditions. Pricing and positioning. Early projections place the Z7 III between $3,500 and $3,800 USD, making it more affordable than the Z8 but a clear step up from the Z7 II. With the rumored feature set, this pricing strategy would make it highly competitive in the high-res, full-frame category. Final thoughts. To cameras. To bold move as if Nikon delivers even 70% of the rumored features in both these models. 2025 could be a major turning point. The Z90 would finally give DX shooters a pro-grade option with features tailored for action, speed, and hybrid work. Meanwhile, the Z7 III could redefine what a high-res full-frame mirrorless camera can do, merging photographic excellence with serious video chops.